I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting the apps ready. Open the 2 apps you intend to use and make sure the phone runs current software. Once done, confirm Moto gestures or navigation buttons are enabled so you can access recent apps quickly. Next, tap Recent to see app cards, position them roughly where you want in Split. This speeds the process and avoids repeated switching. You're preparing the workspace so Split Screen will be immediate and predictable when invoked. You now create the split. In Recent View, tap the first app's icon and choose Split Screen. That anchors it to one half of the display. Then select or drag the second app into the other half from Recent or the app drawer. Once both apps are visible, use the divider to resize, drag toward the edge for a 1/3 view, or center it for even halves. Remember, you can swap apps or replace one without exiting the split configuration to stay efficient. To finish, interact normally. Use the divider to resize and the app icon to swap or open one app full screen when needed. If an app refuses to enter split screen, make sure it supports multi-window. Some video or banking apps block it. Clear cache or force stop the app and try again. If the Recent View or gestures behave oddly, reboot the Moto Edge 50 Fusion. That often restores normal split screen control and prevents glitches without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.